Hey Robloxians, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and today we are diving deep into the most popular ways to play Roblox. Whether you're a complete beginner just downloading the game for the first time, or you're looking to really level up your skills, I've got you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole arsenal of pro tips to help you play smarter, have way more fun, and maybe even earn some serious bragging rights with your friends. First things first. And this is super important to understand. Roblox isn't just one single game. It's like a giant, ever-expanding universe absolutely packed with millions of games. And the coolest part is, they're all made by players just like you and me. The most popular styles you'll see everywhere right now are obby games, which is short for obstacle course, super addictive simulator games, and massive roleplay worlds like the famous Brookhaven and Adopt Me. We're going to break down how to master all of them. Before we even jump into a game, let's talk about tip number 1, customizing your avatar. Your character is your virtual identity in the Roblox universe, so it's worth taking a few minutes to make it look awesome. And listen, you don't need to spend any Robux to stand out. There are tons and tons of free items available right in the avatar shop. A little pro tip here, always keep an eye out for special events. Roblox often gives away exclusive free gear, like hats, shirts, and accessories, just for completing some fun mini challenges within those events. It's the best way to build a cool-looking collection without spending a dime. Okay, let's kick things off with Obbies. These obstacle course games are absolutely huge in Roblox. The goal is super simple on the surface. Get from the start to the finish without falling. But, as you'll quickly find out, that's where the real challenge begins. Here is a pro tip that will immediately make you better. Turn your camera to an angle that gives you the absolute best view of the jumps you are about to make. A slightly tilted top-down view usually works wonders. It helps you judge distances much more accurately. Here's another pro tip for obbies. Don't always sprint. I see so many new players just holding down the run button and flying off the edge. Sometimes slow, careful, and precise jumps are way more effective than just rushing through. And pro tip number 3, and this is a big one. Watch other players. See how they tackle those really tricky jumps that you keep failing on. Try to copy their timing, their angle, and their momentum. You'll learn the patterns much faster that way. And please remember, failing is a huge part of the fun in obbies. Every single time you fall, you're not really losing. You're actually learning and getting better. So stick with it. Next up, simulator games. These are some of the most addicting games on the platform, and they're all about collecting, upgrading, and leveling up. It could be anything. You might be collecting pets, harvesting fruits, getting stronger by lifting weights, or even managing a hive of bees. The secret to succeeding in simulators is this. Start small. Don't try to skip ahead to the final area too fast. You'll just get frustrated. Focus on what you can do right now. And when you do start earning in-game currency, upgrade smart. Always put your coins into upgrades that help you grind faster. For example, if you can upgrade your backpack to hold more items, that means fewer trips back to sell, which means more profit over time. And don't forget to team up with friends, because many simulators give awesome bonuses for playing together. It makes the grind way more fun and efficient. Here's the ultimate pro tip for simulators. Check for codes. Most simulator developers release secret promo codes that you can type in for free boosts, pets, or currency. Just search the game's name plus the word codes online, and you'll almost always find a list of active ones. It's free stuff. Finally, let's talk about the incredible roleplay worlds like Brookhaven and Adopt Me. This is where Roblox gets super creative and social. You can build and decorate incredible houses, drive cool cars, raise and trade adorable pets, or just hang out with friends in a virtual city. The key to getting the most out of these games is to set your own goals. Do you want to become the richest player in Adopt Me with the rarest pets? Then you should focus on learning the trading economy. Or maybe you want to roleplay as a police officer in Brookhaven? Go grab the uniform from the station and start patrolling the streets. Make sure you use emotes. They bring your character to life and make roleplaying way more immersive and fun. And above all, be social. These games are designed for hanging out. Talk to people in the chat, make new friends, and maybe even team up for some awesome adventures together. One quick pro tip for trading in games like Adopt Me. Please be careful. If a trade sounds way too good to be true, it probably is. Never fall for scams. A good rule of thumb is to only trade items that you're okay with losing, just in case. Now here is a really important topic that every single Roblox player needs to know about: staying safe online. Your safety is the #1 priority. First, never ever share your password with anyone. Not your friends, not a random person who promises you free Robux. No one. Also, don't click on random, suspicious links that people send you in chat or post on game walls. And if someone is being mean, bullying you, or trying to scam you, use the report button. It's there for a reason. Reporting them helps the moderators keep the platform safe for everyone. Roblox has your back, but you have to do your part. Remember, Roblox is all about having fun, and protecting yourself and your account is what keeps the fun going. So there you have it, everyone. The ultimate beginner's guide to playing Roblox like a total pro. Whether you're jumping through crazy obbies, grinding away in simulators, or creating amazing stories with friends in roleplay games, just remember, the more you play, the better you'll get. Have patience and enjoy the journey. If you learned something new and valuable today, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And drop a comment down below telling me your absolute favorite Roblox game. Maybe I'll feature it in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, Robloxians. Now get out there and start playing.